Omahene Kwabena Asante agronie intokwanie ombeyi bako. Ada metis we bien and waka John Mahama din wo radio so. That will be the end of their career. Me economic actual. I'm sending this message to Omahene Kwabena Asante. Any day, Omobeka John Mahama assemble radio so be bien and waka bino. That will be the end of his journalism. So oti radio so na John Mahama assemble ba ontwem. I'm going to use Omahene Kwabena Asante to set an example in Ghana. So obiena no ka John Mahama any producer no. This piece I will send it to them myself and they know what I am talking about. What I have. Me say any day or radio so obibe raise John Mahama asem shut up.
Every day is violence. Na eneno Kelvin Ekobedu Taylor the Edu multimedia journalist aye friend of Mahene Kwabena Asante. Papa yi no da screen use we. Na onim say e baga na he politics ya. Papa yi aye friend of Mahene Kwabena Asante di mutintimban pam wo eye Adom TV morning show so any asempa. Na Kelvin Ekobedu Taylor the strong one in the amano say papa no hwe no ye ana asem no so o ka the plane enye plane fa se hwe Kwabena Asante pa o de on try say John Mahama asem ebeba ana se obeti omampani dada John Dramani Mahama ho asem bi nti obeye na dwen se obeka bi na sada ne de ene efire wentu a kremoni bitu jode beye no na eye mampani dada John Dramani Mahama asem ba hwe no anka bi hwe kura no hu ni sunsum kura na wenti aso omontara na yefo nya Omahene Kwabena Asante na asemi ana se strong one your day mano papa yi aye na dwen so one ne betwe a ene expose bi a o shadeke mo no Kevin Taylor so de beba bontin na ebra Kelvin kasa na o kire mu se Ghana ha journalist fo bi adane ho dua batabo enso mo twa akoyetwa na papa titiri kura ne Omahene Kwabena Asante ni multimedia journalist fo bi no bobo mu din kire mu se omo ana osono manyoko MPP ayi gabi o kire da ko ehwehwe mo achi din samoni din samfo ha na Omahene Kwabena Asante ono nso ka ho bi ana nkrofo ye hwehwe mo achi ye gisika twitwudi di evire osono manyoko MPP du Patriotic Party ho ensem no sene anokore ne da no mo nka no mo de wada wane no ana Kelvin ahye no so ose enso ho yetapo chenani a oje wo ensem kura onimfa multimedia CEO no kwasi twum yewura kwasi twum no se o manhwe yi a no mbeka no se mba yi be jomani a ensem ode beba na wode onim asebi wo ho yenya musi ha Kelvin akanse bi na yenkotie Kelvin emra ne ba yato aso before be kotie Kelvin Taylor ensem ni bi ede aban mekanfo Charistic Company Limited omundro a friend Zamesha ana zaaje kaso se infection bacteria so ba entrama odepo amasente mo ase obi benya wa na free yade oba edum fichi kwachi a oti pains wo menstruation cycle mo ase a fidua no bro no so obi atumi tinka akwaji mpanifo ndo bi infertility or prostate problems eye waduru a obetumi ede asa na oye be manfo aso fam se zaman capsules ye memedru tatahwe besisi yade sexual weakness low sperm count ye waduru no be ma odo yire komutwi wa girlfriend no kanchi ma sister wo mini no mpaso pa ha odin be kompam 30 seconds na once na egufu makwaji mpanifo ndo bi hindi heba me malaria fever typhoid diabetes waduru no blood pressure na yade etai kosora mpanifo se kosomu ndo bi hwe na eduro ye fdi awie magia tum se open do to akwa pharmacy herbal stores a onsabe kempanifo ndo bi ebusia yenya mu nsia ne nkotie Kelvin Ekobedu Taylor ensem ne bi emra
azulu we na be daada mo ende kwasia onye dwuma wa kiro book tantan bi say investigation piece o say ye piece o you don't unhu book reni unhu ni ti kwasia mpanyi onye dwuma na onenam oton book o si bi o mo start ye no o the same multimedia journalist o mo yesade no o the same cocaine media the same multimedia Kennedy Japan can say Evans Mensa Kojodi and Dian Anopa almost around Masala or Gabifino. This is the same media house they use. And it's Kennedy say a cocaine ya the multimedia ever seen there Omutumika because Nipa multimedia ediano onim Kennedy the Okan and Okre omu cocaine for multimedia cocaine sick and the you see into time ejakun kasani nyina na azuri ya onenim lines ayowa kwasia and onam no ton book onye adwuma oton book abuofuru say investigative book say self description book say narrative uhun ni nine uhun ni ti. This is the same dirty guy who came to lie about John Mahama. Oh, Mahama kwaje Ford gift. Oh, Mahama I confirm to kwasia we nam kroma yembu ni komu oda won nam ha. You see, Gabi paid Azuri and Azuri at the end of the day, Adena Gabi Tutu Abontina, Azuri confirmed it. That is what they do. Into Azuri Rebecca Gabi said, I cannot do this because when I go and put this out, they will question me. So now you put it out and I'll do what? I'll make sure it gets the light. Into that is what they do to you people. Into Gabi Betros had the two Abontina say, Ejako, on Shemron Juma, na upper president Dino. After putting that out there, a gateway for Azuri more because they pay them. Man, I'm in this business, so I know what they do behind the scenes. And then me person me say michire oman hene Kwabena Asante. Onene producer. Baby a wo hwe me bia mo kan kire no. Me say any day. Omo beka John Mahama asem wo radio so obebie na no aka bi no. That will be the end of his journalism. Me, I'm sending this message to him. Me say, I'm sending this message to Oman hene Kwabena Asante. Me say, me ekona me catch you. Any day, so oti radio so na John Mahama asemo ba ontwem. Se obie na no ka John Mahama any the producer no. This piece, I will send it to them myself, and they know what I am talking about, what I have. So I'm going to be free studio bima that day. Me say, I am sending this to Kwabena Asante, or my hene Kwabena Asante. He knows what I know. Me say any day or T radio so. Obibe raise John Mahama say me shut up. Ada metis we be na no aka John Mahama din wo radio so. On any producer no that will be the end of their career in journalism. Agronie intokwanie ombeyi bako. Sa multimedia no adia amodia ye Ghana no. The way MPP for use multimedia destroy Ghana no. But I'm going to use Omahene Kwabena Asante to set an example in Ghana. So our producer first a best Marco Sedeno. I will use them to set an example in Ghana. Me say these are my rules. And I'm going to say it clearly. Any day, and Kwabena Asante knows what I'm talking about. What I have. And he knows. Any day. Obetina radio so ewa sempa. Omobeka John Mahama say you should keep quiet. Ada menya video from today. Say oti TV so discuss John Mahama. That will be the end of his journalism career. And it's not going to be just him. But say the PS na will PS. And Omahene him what I am talking about. So you see what these multimedia boys do. Inti Azuri ni Gabi na hihye ho eno ka che Gabi say wo chro because I me try because some investigations me fact way but what you try you can write it as a powerful MPP person. I will do what? I will confirm it. Inti Gabi try na Azuri by say it is true. That is what they do. Journalist or a criminal ye kromfo pa Azuri. His whole journalism is about Zoom Lion asa oni bibia biem. Manas Azuri. The journalism boy is about Zoom Lion. I know another. Today, he is hungry. And what na them no so I book kwasia. So the most dangerous thing about this whole thing and say, so you Ghana ni na utie me a. It is not about me o. Damage agabi mo aye no. Nipa mo ku sika mo wia. Dollars amotam free Bank of Ghana cash. You don't have to listen to any fool say we be a discussion baby. Edien moja drone so chan say jiwesha wo ho. Discussion baby. You had discussions for 8 years. The stupid so-called think tanks were Ghana had discussion where we are seeing a dollar is at 16. They are foolish. They don't have anything left. They are foolish. We need to change the people who are in charge.
Egigim tino ye ni agro kora wo manga na muha na Kelvin kire se asam o kan enye so ode wada na se o kasresre da bi ana asam no so o kan ne plane enye plane fa se hwe Kwabena Asante pa ode on try se John Mahama asem ebeba ana se obeti o mampani dada John Dramani Mahama ho asem bi nti obeye na dwen se obeka bi na sada ne de ene efire wentu a kremoni bitu de be ye no eni expose on no Kevin Taylor ne say owofa eyo man hene Kwabena Asante ho de be ba bontin wo de o so bi try no hwe multimedia fo nyina mu nyina mo kam from green to kran na Kevin abontere ne a Kevin say we kura de mamotufo bo na wo de obi try ne keke try was sign or the battle line no wa draw battle line na wo do bi ensign ho na onhwe de ebisi o manga na mu ani Kevin say ono eko kasa ladies and gentlemen it's Kevin eno no a ono de nsem wi aba beto abonte e bekoso e de ene nsem na chi wipim bia ba ne be ma hwefo ne atifo nso afa feelings e wo message so ba no subscribe no share na busuanom etumi akoso ayekese na before ebe kramo ame akono make amfo Charistic Company Limited omudru papa omde ababonti e friend no za amesha ne za de capsules de amount se entrama yade engu wanimu ase obi benya wa ne firi yade enne yade aka wahye mu nyina ye yade so ano a wantumi anhwe ano ye ma enne yade yetumi aka wahye dem enu nti ne mpanimfo de edu nwanwaso idi abase ma yade engu wanimu ase se ebe infection bacteria si bia hu bebi firi abaji ni pedua na kentenso no de bi kwaji mpanimfo ndru bi oba edu mfiji kwachi a uti pains wo wayase bodwe wayase tumi kawo ewo menstrual cramps ni mu akwaji mpanimfo ndru bi edru bi tu ase papa de amount na infertility also prostate problems obabi wa na tinka ewo chiri papa ni ajo otwetwe na brebo focus me friends boost of libido wadru eno no oba entrama odipo max cent ma wase kwaji mpanimfo ndru bi hindi eba mesha eba malaria fever typhoid diabetes o blood pressure na yade etai eye wadru eno no na eye za man capsules nso ye memedru ye nyi mememfiri dada bi enu ti ne mpanimfo asiesie edru nwanwaso ye friend za man capsules de ama wo se ebesisi yade sexual weakness be ma wo de banitim keja low sperm counter eye wadru no we mini sister ikokobutwa o girlfriend o kanchuma person di sister ikompemu he ube sane egu mpamu de sane egu no so na ni be han 30 seconds kwaje za man capsules bi ne dru FDA ahwem age atum se eye open do atu akọ pharmacy herbal stores a eben obi a obi nsa beka empanimfo ndru bi ye frame dan kwese friends mesrew so ba wa subscribe wa share wa comment every baby a wo hwe free na wusua no atumi akoso ayekese nyame eya doma dase ne ebidi ahia mu makra